Video will follow later. The video is actually about, if you can see my t-shirt, it's a colorful t-shirt, it's a marathon t-shirt. We done some drumming for the Delhi Marathon here, and I played there as always I do with my Delhi Ram Circle group. So this was a course for fitness and stuff. So the video is about actually something which I've written down from my own experience, because I find that people are engaged mostly in working, and people are engaged in ideation and earning monies and stuff, but health is also a concern. So there is this common myth that a lot of people and children and men and women have, that weights, if you lift weights, you're going to get bulky and stuff. And I used to feel the same way, because I think I messed up and exercise many years back without supervision and stuff when I was younger. I'm still young, so I remember this one particular episode where I'd done some different weights, and my back just kind of, it was out of proportion and stuff. And now, after I've had my neck cervical and I've had this back challenge, and I've had this tooth surgery or stuff, when I went into giving my BMI and stuff, the doctors told me, "What did you do to yourself?" So my question was, "What did I do?" He says, "You know what? We've not seen a lady who's got this stronger back, and I think most of your fat has got converted into muscle and stuff." And I didn't realize this, that there were these youngsters, and they were these so-called wannabe. I would call it wannabe, because obviously they're wanting to be wannabes, and they wanted to be models, and they're doing some really tuchu B grade and not even C grade or even erotica level work or whatever. But this guy used to keep telling me lose weight and stuff, and it really used to piss me off, because I was not in the same stage as his or whatever. So just a facha or whatever. And I was like kind of working on my health and everything, and I spoke to my supervisor and I said, "You know what, I want to reduce a little bit more, and I want to get fitter." So I know that weights is something which I've done many years back, and I like to do some weights and stuff. So let me start with that. So once I got my facts and everything right, I started doing weights and all that, and then as a result of that, I got an extremely strong, back and stuff like that, which really helps me at times. So there are these thoughts that I've shared from my own experience, that how is strength training helping. So it's not just yoga, it's not just sports. It's also cardio. It's also fitness. It's also focused, workout that helps you and stuff. So strength training has a lot of benefits. First of all, it reduces your mortality rate. So if you're working out and stuff, they say that a number of hours every day get extended. It's unfortunate if people lose lives because of other health concerns and stuff, but health has a lot of benefits. Okay. And then they also say that there's so much of conflicting opinion about fitness and workout. A lot of old school people feel that it's a competition, and people are kind of showing off and stuff in the gym. Yes, there is a certain section of people who do that, but not everybody does that. And when you have strength happening, what happens? Okay, so when women especially work out, they feel that by lifting weights they become bulky, and they start shying away from doing these exercises. And I know for sure that by strength training you get a little leaner, and you also are more toned in your physique. It increases your metabolism, and increases your overall body composition without adding bulk. And also, when you're doing strength training, it's happened to me. I mean, my body size and my body shape is changed with each stage in your life. Things change. And if you are going to be in fitness, or you're going to be in the celebrity world or the glamour world, then of course you're going to be pumping in a lot of money to look after your health and stuff. But when you're doing stuff of your own, and you know that you don't lead that glamour life, and you want to live a realistic life, then you kind of stay more flexible, and you burst the myths and stuff. So it's not just yoga. And then the second set of lines is that strength training also kind of is excellent for your lungs and heart, because it is pumping more oxygen, and as a result of this, you're burning calories. And it's not just calories that you're burning, but they're also increasing your muscle tissue, and your fat is getting converted into muscle, and as a result of which you become stronger and you have a healthy weight. So there is a negative weight and a healthy weight. So people say that your weight has to be as per your height and stuff. So that's yes, one school of thought says that, but the other one says that it depends on what stage of life you're in, and what is your lifestyle all about? And do you have any issues like any health concerns and stuff like that? So in that case it changes, and I feel that being more active and being healthier is a better approach. Then people think that strength doesn't make you more flexible, it makes you more I mean, it kind of changes your shape to looking more broader or whatever is the understanding. But actually, lifting weights can improve your joints motion and your bone density as well. And as a result of that, you're more flexible, and you're able to move your joints more freely. You're more stronger and stable, and as a result of which, your aches and pains also go. So this is my story here, So when you're working out and stuff, you're toning up, and as a result of that, you may slow down temporarily, but the point is that your overall demeanor and your outlook also changes and stuff, and you understand that fitness and exercise is actually like experimenting with sports. So some people play swimming, some people do swimming, some people have tennis, some people have basketball. So each sport will have a different outcome or a result on you, and most important is to kind of have your exercise and sport happening every day, because it just kind of gives you this whole sense of balance, and it kind of gives you new energy, which is really very important. So if you've been a case of burnout, if you've had a long day, if you've had a bad day at work or whatever, which people sometimes do, if you've traveled too much, or if you're not feeling well or whatever, and if you feel you have too much of energy, or if you're feeling lethargy or whatever, the core fundamental is go work out and get it out of your system and stuff, and it helps. And core training, there is a movie, I think, which was Kelly something. I'll be sharing that, and if you want to follow, you can follow most ambassadors, in the gyms and stuff, who are in their 70s and 80s, they're still kicking it, they're still doing it, they have issues and stuff, but they're still kind of working out and stuff. So signing yourself off at 35 and 40 and saying, I can't do it, हमारे बस की नहीं है, we can't sit, we can't do that, we don't have time and stuff, is all bull and crap. Everybody can make time and stuff, but the point is you have to kind of prioritize. So the moment you start prioritizing that, yes, health is a concern for me and my health is worth $1 billion or $1 million, you're definitely going to make the time and stuff like that. Rest of it is all jazz and history. So I met someone at the Smart Startup Summit, and he had actually lost a shoulder, and he's, I think, in his 60s or something. So when I shared with him my story, he says, ये सब excuses है. And when I opened up to him and I told him my story of the bad back and the leg and then my teeth and then my neck and stuff, so he was like, I think you're kind of not giving any excuses and stuff. So I understand where you're coming from, but the point is, if a person has fixed his shoulder in his 60s by just going to a doctor and just by kind of taking Ayurveda approach or whatever, it means that any kind of health concern or any kind of challenge before you can be overcome. What's really important is to not get affected by the negative stories and linking all the stories of other people's cardiovascular diseases or therapy, or say not able to walk, not able to do work, not having the time, and not kind of being a burnt out whatever, because people recover. So the point is, this is 2024, so 2024 means that you have solutions before you. So do not give up is also an attitude you got to have. And coming back to the main point about creativity and work and stuff, we also have coasters, and we also have other designs where we have some yoga poses in our creations. And if somebody wants to get anything of their choices done and stuff, we'll be more than happy to accommodate. So if you have a design of your own, I'll be more than happy to associate and make them for you. And we do quality work, and we don't hold ourselves back from taking small orders. But of course, for certain designs and many designs, we expect minimum order or a bulk order, because then the pricing works good and the quality comes out better. So have a great day and enjoy yourself, and spend your time and energies on positive stuff. Soak up the sun. And I'm wearing this t-shirt because I think I'm going to kind of go for a walk after this. So if you're somewhere in your office, or if you're somewhere at home, or if you're somewhere not doing much, just wear your kids, or just kind of wearing a t-shirt, and suddenly your state of mind changes to fitness and you're going to be enthused around it. So this is one way So prepare for the next action, so this is what is going to help you and stuff. And rather than believing the myths and outdated stuff about gaining weight and bulk and all that, hope this video helps you and stuff. I'm on justinkapani .im@gmail.com and jkapani@gmail.com, and a coffee mostly helps, so have a coffee. And I shared this video about the break and the informal labor, so remember to have a coffee before you hit the gym, have a half an hour nap and stuff, and also consider informal labor, because you know for sure that when you're doing one task you're thinking 10 different things. Most of us do that, okay? So love and luck, and take care, and have fun, and have a blast, and enjoy yourself. The weather is awesome. Enjoy yourself. There's always a balance between work and thinking and action and stuff. So slow down wherever possible and go strong wherever possible, okay? So love and luck, and take care. Thank you so much for your messages and for your likes and stuff. And I've got some messages on Instagram as well. So thank you so much, ma'am. I hope to be there. Yeah. Take care. Love and luck. Bye bye.